Hey y'all, this is Melissa. I am coming on today to talk to you about cosmetic sponges, makeup sponges. So, if you're interested in hearing more, stay tuned because this could get very interesting. Anyway, I have always been very curious about these little dudes. I've been hearing a lot about them and I've been wanting to try one. So when I was in Walmart the other day with my husband, I came across a whole bag of like 18 sponges here for $3.98. And I was like, you've got to be kidding me. Because I've been looking up these Beautyblenders and they run for the actual Beautyblender brand $20. Okay? $20 for this. Of course, those are pink and this one's purple, right? So I was like, and this was like for a whole big bag, and there's two shaped like this. There are two shaped like this. There's what, 1, 2, 3 or 4 shaped like this, and a whole pile of them shaped like this. And I have been using this kind here for years to wipe off the excess glitter that might come in shimmer that comes off under my eyes from when I do my eye makeup. And okay, here's my real confession. I have, and these look a little bit dirty because I've still been using them some along with everything else. I have 3 of these left, and I've had them for over 5 years, okay? Because I'm cheap. I don't buy a lot of this stuff because that's all I've been using for, just that's it. And at one point I had tried putting on like foundation with them, and I really didn't even know to wet them, but I mean they did pretty good even dry. And when I heard that you're supposed to wet this thing, and it you know, before you used it, when I tried it, I wetted it, and I saw the massive size difference here, okay? It blew me away. I was like, oh, it's getting huge, it's getting huge. Yeah, because I'm sorry, I don't know anything about these makeup sponges because, you know, I started using my brushes. I started using my Luxie brushes, and I was like blown away with the Luxie brushes. Okay, so I wet this thing. I'm sorry. You probably think, boy, she don't get out much, does she? Right? Yeah, well, okay. I'm learning. I'm learning, okay. So I tried this thing, see what all the hype's about. Okay. Now, if I had not tried the Luxie brushes first, I would have fallen in love with this. But I had tried my Luxie brushes first, and this does pretty good, but I really like the Luxie brushes better. I've tried it. I tried it the 3rd time today. If you watch my previous video, you'll see where I actually, on the video, tried it for the 3rd and last time. And I'll probably still use it for certain things. I mean, I may still clean up. Like right up in here, I have these little tiny wrinkles right in here, and stuff collects in them. Foundation collects in there, and I think for patting out stuff out of those excess, I think it'll be great for that. Or if I need to smooth out, if stuff is starting like right under here, starting to sort of cake up a little bit, I think it'll be great for that, and I'll use it. But here's the thing. If I can get 2 of these from Walmart in that bag, along with all those other sponges, for $3.98, or I can get a Real Techniques one of these from Walmart for $5.98. Why would I pay $20 for the Beauty Blender brand? That's the question. And the only difference is like, say, the Real Techniques is down here. It has that flattened edge right in there. The flattened edge. So I guess if you're wanting to pat, 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 like under here or something, that would be the difference. And you think about it, these things, they only last you 3 months, because this is going to build up bacteria and dead skin cells in it, even when you wash it. Even if you put this into a container of water, put it in the microwave for like a minute and a half, and let it boil in there and like sterilize it sort of after you've done soap, like antibacterial soap and water, then put it in the microwave in the water for a minute and a half, which I would recommend. It's still only going to last you probably 3 months, maybe 6 at the outside if you're using it real regular, like getting it wet, because that water is going to hold on to that bacteria. Now the reason I've kept these for as long as I have is they're not getting wet. And I did hear somebody talking on YouTube. They're saying, these things, I cut mine open and it had worms in it because it's there for 5 years. I had it for so long it had worms in it. So I thought, if anybody says worms in it, I know I've had these things probably more than 5 years. I've been living at the little small town I'm living in for at least 5 years, and I've had these longer than that. I brought these with me from my husband's family's dairy farm. And so it's been longer than 5 years. So just out of curiosity, since I'm getting ready to throw these away, I just got that whole big bag. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Ah, I hear them in there. Ah, don't cut me, don't cut me. What's in there? What's in there? Is there anything in there? Here, let's put this up so you can see it. I see nothing. I see absolutely nothing in there. Okay, there's one. Let's do another one. Ah, don't cut me, don't cut me. This one's kind of even like yellowed. Actually, it pinked. I don't see nothing. I see absolutely nothing there. There's nothing there. That's just like stray foam. Nothing there but stray foam. There's nothing in there. So I don't think we got to worry about worms growing in this thing. This one turned, well, this one's gray just because of all of the, see, there's nothing in there. It's just like pieces of foam where it's coming apart on my computer. Yep, just stray pieces of foam coming out everywhere on my computer. So anyway, my recommendation is go to Walmart for those. They're called Glam and Beauty Sponges. And you get 18 assorted sponges. And that's a pretty good deal. $3.98. I'd say it's a good deal. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you will like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. So, until next time, you remember that you're fearfully and wonderfully made, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye till next time.